Alright, so now you should be aware of what backlinks are in SEO and the type of links. Now it's time to start building links for your website. Making a proper planned campaign for link building is a lot better than just waking up and emailing random bloggers to link back to you. It's not going to be effective. So, how do you build a campaign? First of all, set a small goal. Say you want to get at least 10 backlinks every month for the first 6 to 10 months, and then you want to raise the minimum to about 20 to 30 per month once you're generating a good amount of traffic. Once you've set a decent target goal for the number of links, now it's time you decide where and how you'll be getting those links. There are basically 3 ways you'll be getting links, quite similar to the types of links. So first of all, you have to look at your content and think, why should someone link to my site? For me, if I find something funny, I'll copy the link and send it to my friends, or even post on my wall. Secondly, if I find something useful, so if I find a unique article that tells me when we're reaching Mars or how to control global warming, I'll tweet it. These are the types of backlinks you have no control over, except for the fact that your content is original, great, and unique. You'll get backlinks organically. Such type of links will be very low in start, but once you have 100,000 people visiting your site daily, if your content is good, chances are 100 of them will send a link to their friend or post it. These backlinks you will get organically will be 95% of the time just a person sharing with friends on social media or something. Sometimes a blogger or website owner might be surfing your website. If they find your content good, they might link you on their website in an article, which will be very helpful since audience of that site will visit your site by clicking on the link. Plus, it will boost your SEO with a quality backlink. Though the problem is, we don't have control over such links, and you will only see them flowing in when you have a lot of visitors. Now, let's look at how we can manually get some backlinks. The best way to do this is to find people that might be interested in your content. For example, if you're selling t-shirt, Google t-shirt blog. You will see lots of sites that would like to write about your t-shirts. So open up their site and find the contact page and send them an email, which should be short, precise, and to the point. And you should be clearly highlighting why you think they should backlink to you. You'll learn this from trial and error, and I won't give you any template, nor should you use one. That looks fake, and if someone sends me a template message that some other person has sent me in the past, I'd mark it as spam. Also, don't push them to link to you. Build a relationship, and if you do that properly, you'll get more than one backlink. If you're a blogger, contact other bloggers and ask other bloggers to cross-exchange backlinks and stuff. There are endless opportunities. If someone says, "Hey mate, PayPal me $100 and I'll give you a link on my site," do not do that. That is against Google's policies, as Google says these backlinks are like votes for a site. Paying for a vote is against the rules. So these are the legit ways you can get a backlink to your site. It takes time, but that's a natural process. Start off with a small goal and work towards it, and you'll see this number increasing over time.